Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to place an order for custom house portraits. So from the homepage of the website, go ahead and hover on services and then click on house portraits. It will take you to this page. If you scroll down, you will find a video on the process, and then if you scroll further down, you will find some additional information about the service, and you will also find the order form here. We will get to that in a bit. If you scroll further down, you will find some examples of recent orders. By clicking on any of the thumbnails, you will see the example. So let's try placing an order. Let's go back to the order form above. So these are the choices for the style. You have a digital sketch, a digital watercolor, and a hand-drawn digital illustration. You will find that the preview on the left here changes along with the choice that you select. For example, I'll just choose this digital sketch. For the finishing, these are your choices. For this example, I'll just choose a black wooden frame. For the orientation, I'll choose landscape, and for the size, these are your choices. So on the next section is where you can upload the image. I'll just click on that and then drag and drop a file here, and that should begin the uploading process. When it's done uploading, you'll find that the preview on the left here changes along with the uploaded image. Next is where you can select the titling, either it's classic or modern. You can also choose no titling. And the next section is where you can put in the titles for line 1 and line 2 as shown here. Next is where you can select the extras. You can check any of the boxes here. And on the next section is where you can put in the address where it would be delivered. Click on Add to Cart, and it will ask for additional information like your name, your email, and your card number. Click on Place an Order, and you will receive a proof of your order within 1 to 2 days. After the proof is approved, you will then receive the house portrait within 4 to 5 business days. So that's how you place an order for house portraits. Pretty easy. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out at support@photoup.net. Thank you for watching and have a great day.